Good day everyone! Ituturo ko sa inyo paano nga ba mag-multiply ng fractions. Let's say for example, number 1, we have 1/3 times 2/5. So napakadali lang mag-multiply ng fractions. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So 1 times 2, that is 2. And then 3 times 5, that is 15. Okay? Then that's it. This is now our answer. Very easy. Now remember, kung ang sagot natin ay pwede pang i-simplify in lowest term, kailangan natin i-simplify in lowest term. Let's try number 2. 3 times 2, that is 6. 4 times 3, that is 12. Pero yung 6 over 12 ay pwede pa nating i-simplify in lowest term. So we can divide both numbers by 6. Okay? So, divided by 6 para makuha natin yung kanyang lowest term. So, 6 divided by 6, that is 1. 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung ating sagot ay 1/2. Let's have number 3. We have 3 over 8 times 2/5. So, multiply the numerators. 3 times 2, that is 6. 8 times 5, that is 40. But, pwede nating i-simplify ito by dividing both numbers by 2. Okay? So, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. At 40 divided by 2, yan ay 20. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 3 over 20. Very easy. Now, remember, kapag meron tayong whole number, kagaya ng number 4, we have 3 times 1/3. Remember na merong over 1 lagi kapag whole number. Okay? Kaya 3 times 1, that's 3. Then 1 times 3, that is also 3. Kaya ang lowest term ng 3 over 3, that is equal to 1. Okay? Kasi 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Kaya ang sagot natin for number 4 is 1. Okay? So I hope naintindihan. Thank you for watching.